Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install iPhone-Like keyboard on OnePlus Nord 4. To install a keyboard that looks like an iPhone keyboard, first go to Play Store and search for an app named Green Apple Keyboard. Then tap on Install next to this Green Apple app. And after a short while, press on Open. Tap on Enable in Settings and enable Green Apple Keyboard in Settings. Tap on Activate. Now go back. Then tap on Switch Input Methods and switch it to Green Apple Keyboard. Then tap on Finished. Now you can adjust some settings, but you can just go exit out of the app, and now your keyboard is already set. And let's open Google to test it. You can see that this is the keyboard from the iPhone. And it works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.